Hey there everyone. Yawning is a universal phenomenon that we all experience, but did you know that there are some pretty amazing facts about yawning that you may not know about? Let's explore the fascinating world of yawning together. Firstly, have you ever noticed that yawning seems to be contagious? This phenomenon is not limited to humans. Studies have shown that other species such as dogs, chimpanzees, and even fish have been observed yawning in response to their own species' yawns. Scientists believe that contagious yawning may be a form of empathy, or a way of communicating social cues within a group. Secondly, yawning may actually have a physiological purpose. It's been suggested that yawning helps regulate the temperature of the brain by increasing blood flow and removing heat. Additionally, yawning has been linked to improved cognitive function, such as increased alertness, focus, and memory retention. Yawning also increases the heart rate and respiratory rate, which can increase oxygen intake and help wake us up. Physiological benefits of yawning increase blood flow and oxygen intake. Thirdly, yawning may be a social behavior that helps with bonding. People are more likely to yawn in the presence of someone they have a close relationship with, like a family member or romantic partner. In fact, yawning has been shown to activate areas of the brain that are involved in empathy and social bonding. This may be because contagious yawning is a form of nonverbal communication that helps to synchronize the emotions and behaviors of a group. Interestingly, yawning may also be a sign of stress. Some studies have found that people yawn more when they are under stress or experiencing anxiety. This may be because yawning helps to regulate the body's physiological responses to stress, such as increasing heart rate and respiration. Yawning may also help to release tension in the jaw and facial muscles, which can become tense during times of stress. Lastly, yawning is a universal human behavior that transcends cultural boundaries. People of all ages, races, and cultures yawn, and the act of yawning itself is thought to be an evolutionary adaptation that has been present in humans for millions of years. However, the social context in which yawning occurs may vary across cultures. For example, some cultures may view yawning as a sign of disrespect or boredom, while others may view it as a natural and healthy behavior. In conclusion, yawning is a fascinating and complex phenomenon with many amazing facts to discover. From its contagious nature to its potential physiological, social, and stress-related benefits, there is much more to yawning than meets the eye. Did you yawn while watching the video? Please tell us in comments.